Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's summertime, and you know what that means? It's popsicle time. Today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing popsicle recipes that are not only delicious, but also super healthy. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic flavor combination. Strawberry banana. We'll use fresh, ripe strawberries and bananas for natural sweetness. First, hull and slice your strawberries evenly. Next, peel and slice your bananas. Layer the strawberries and bananas into your popsicle molds. Insert the popsicle sticks, making sure they're centered. Freeze for at least 4 hours or until solid. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, and bananas are a good source of potassium. This recipe is naturally sweetened with fruits, so no added sugar. Once frozen, run the molds under warm water for a few seconds to loosen them. And there you have it. Delicious, healthy strawberry banana popsicles, perfect for a hot summer day. Get ready to be transported to a tropical paradise with these mango coconut popsicles. Imagine the sun shining brightly, the sound of waves crashing, and the taste of these delightful treats cooling you down. We'll use fresh, ripe mangoes and creamy coconut milk. These 2 ingredients are the stars of our recipe, bringing a burst of tropical flavor and a smooth, luscious texture. First, cut the mango flesh away from the pit and dice it into small pieces. Make sure to get every bit of that juicy goodness. The riper the mango, the sweeter and more flavorful your popsicles will be. Blend the diced mango and coconut milk until smooth and creamy. This step is crucial as it ensures that every bite of your popsicle is filled with a perfect blend of mango and coconut. Adjust the amount of coconut milk to your liking. If you prefer a richer, creamier texture, add a bit more coconut milk. For a lighter, fruitier popsicle, use less. Pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, insert the sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. Patience is key here, as the longer they freeze, the better the texture will be. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamins C and A and dietary fiber. These vitamins are essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. Coconut milk adds healthy fats, keeping you full and satisfied. These fats are also great for your heart and can help improve your cholesterol levels. This recipe is naturally sweetened by the mango. No need for added sugars, making it a healthier option for you and your family. Once frozen, run the molds under warm water to loosen them. This makes it easier to remove the popsicles without breaking them. Enjoy the taste of paradise with these mango coconut popsicles. They're refreshing and flavorful, perfect for a hot summer day or any time you need a little tropical escape. Perfect for a tropical treat. No added sugar needed. A guilt-free indulgence. These popsicles are not only delicious but also nutritious, making them a perfect snack for kids and adults alike. Share them with friends and family at your next gathering, or enjoy them all to yourself. Either way, these mango coconut popsicles are sure to be a hit. Decorate your popsicles with a sprinkle of shredded coconut or a slice of fresh mango for an extra touch of tropical flair. The possibilities are endless, so what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of mango coconut popsicle paradise and treat yourself to a taste of the tropics today. Boost those antioxidants with these blueberry yogurt popsicles. We'll use fresh blueberries and Greek yogurt. Rinse and drain the blueberries. Blend the blueberries and Greek yogurt until smooth and creamy. You can add a touch of honey or maple syrup if you prefer a sweeter popsicle. Pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, insert the sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. Blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C and vitamin K. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and calcium. It's also a good source of probiotics, supporting digestive health. Once frozen, run the molds under warm water to loosen them. Enjoy the refreshing and tangy goodness of these blueberry yogurt popsicles. They're a delicious and nutritious treat, perfect for a healthy snack or dessert. No added sugar needed. A nutritional powerhouse. Beat the heat with these refreshing Watermelon Mint Popsicles. These popsicles are not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Perfect for a hot summer day, they will keep you cool and hydrated. We'll use fresh watermelon and a touch of fresh mint. The combination of these 2 ingredients creates a delightful and refreshing flavor that is hard to resist. Start by cutting the watermelon into chunks. Make sure to remove any seeds to ensure a smooth texture. The fresher the watermelon, the better the popsicles will taste. Next, blend the watermelon chunks until smooth. This will be the base of our popsicle mixture. The natural sweetness of the watermelon means you won't need to add much extra sweetener. Rinse and finely chop the mint leaves. Mint adds a burst of freshness and a cooling sensation that complements the watermelon perfectly. Combine the blended watermelon and chopped mint leaves in a large bowl. Stir well to ensure the mint is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Taste the mixture and add honey or maple syrup if you prefer a sweeter popsicle. This step is optional, as the natural sweetness of the watermelon might be enough for some. Pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, insert the sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. For best results, let them freeze overnight. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating and a great source of electrolytes. It's made up of over 90% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated during the hot summer months. It's also a good source of vitamins A and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and boosting your immune system. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. It also helps protect your skin from sun damage, making these popsicles a great choice for summer. Mint is known for its cooling properties and can help soothe the stomach. It's also great for digestion and can help relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. It can also relieve headaches and improve breath odor. The refreshing taste of mint makes these popsicles even more enjoyable. Once frozen, run the molds under warm water to loosen them. This will make it easier to remove the popsicles without breaking them. Enjoy these delightful watermelon mint popsicles. They are a healthy and delicious way to cool down on a hot day. They're the perfect summer treat. Whether you're lounging by the pool or having a picnic in the park, these popsicles are sure to be a hit. Keep you hydrated and energized. No added sugar needed. The natural ingredients make these popsicles a guilt-free indulgence, a refreshing and revitalizing treat. The combination of watermelon and mint is not only tasty, but also beneficial for your health. Perfect for hot summer days. Cool down and refresh. These popsicles are a great way to stay cool and enjoy the flavors of summer. Add a little zing with these Pineapple Ginger Popsicles. These popsicles are not only refreshing, but also pack a punch of flavor and health benefits. Perfect for those hot summer days when you need something cool and invigorating. We'll use fresh pineapple and fresh ginger. Fresh ingredients ensure that you get the maximum flavor and nutritional benefits. Pineapple is naturally sweet, and ginger adds a spicy kick that makes these popsicles stand out. Cut the pineapple into chunks and remove the core. The core can be tough and fibrous, so it's best to discard it. Make sure the chunks are small enough to blend easily. Blend the pineapple chunks until smooth. You want a nice, even consistency without any large pieces. This will ensure that your popsicles have a smooth texture. Peel and grate a small piece of ginger. Ginger can be quite strong, so start with a small amount and add more if you like a stronger flavor. The ginger should be finely grated to mix well with the pineapple puree. Combine the blended pineapple and grated ginger. Stir well to make sure the ginger is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This will give each popsicle a consistent flavor. Taste and adjust the amount of ginger to your liking. If you prefer a milder flavor, you can add less ginger. If you love the zing, feel free to add more. It's all about personal preference. Pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, insert the sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. Make sure the molds are filled evenly and that the sticks are centered. This will help the popsicles freeze properly and make them easier to remove. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain. Bromelain aids in digestion and can help reduce inflammation. It's a great fruit to include in your diet for overall health. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe nausea. It's often used as a natural remedy for upset stomachs and can help with digestion as well. It's also known to reduce muscle soreness. If you've had a tough workout, a ginger-infused popsicle can be a delicious way to help your muscles recover. Once frozen, run the molds under warm water to loosen them. This will make it easier to remove the popsicles without breaking them. Just a few seconds under warm water should do the trick. Enjoy these zesty pineapple ginger popsicles. They're a perfect blend of sweet and spicy, making them a unique treat that everyone will love. They're a unique and flavorful treat. The combination of pineapple and ginger is not only delicious, but also offers numerous health benefits. Perfect for a hot summer day, no added sugar needed, a true superfood combination. Awaken your senses with this refreshing and healthy treat. It's a great way to cool down and enjoy a nutritious snack. Cool down with a spicy kick. These popsicles are sure to become a favorite in your household. Whether you're lounging by the pool or looking for a post-workout snack, these pineapple ginger popsicles are the perfect choice. So there you have it. 5 delicious and healthy popsicle recipes, perfect for beating the summer heat. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to share pictures of your popsicle creations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more delicious recipes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.